Hi, it's Lily here. If something is not shabby chic, if it's not vintage, if it's not steampunk or rock and roll, but something in the middle among all of those, what can that be? I made something that is none of them all, but it's kind of like something on its own. And before I go on, don't kill me, but I made this last April. Okay, here you go. As you see, it's not shabby chic, it's not steampunk, it's not rock and roll, it's just something on its own. I had a ball making this, and it was so much fun to use these colors, and it's actually just an altered box, a box that my new phone came in. Well, it's not new anymore, that's for sure. And I used stuff that I got in US. This birdie among them, the crown Sweet Janet gave me, these flowers, Prima flowers, and this lace. And I absolutely love gray lace. Gray is very classy. Why? I have a fly here. Oh, summer. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna move closer. And as you can see, oops, sorry, there's a rusted key down there. Obviously that is not from Florida. I have micro beads because I am crazy about micro beads. I've been using them for a long time now. And these berries were given to me, and they were red, but I painted them black. The color is something between champagne pink and lavender, I believe. And let's see, we can go on the back. I got one stencil in US, and that's this sun ray from Tim Holtz, and you can see I put corrugated, and it's just painted black on the back. And the feet are made of filigrees. Now I actually need to glue them better on. I better glue now than I had then, so. And this one, whoa, I'm out of frame. This here was in my stash already, and I used the Tim Holtz word stickers. It says life is good. I'm sorry, it's the light. And I can take down the camera carefully and pop it down so you can see it better. Alright, there we go. So there you can see that little frame, and it's hanging from the top. And I have a very distressed fun flower there, and I just slapped some paint around, went all crazy. I don't remember which paper this is, but I'm suspecting it's that stationery something from Prima. There's a little bit of black swirls. This is also Prima flowers, and I absolutely love those. Very pretty. And I painted some. That's a wild orchid craft. There's the birdie. And I did some good distressing on that. There's the key. Come on, focus. And you can see it's have a little nest sort of, and yeah, I really like doing this one, and I like the color combination. And let's see if I don't move around too much. The rust there is just popping because the rest of the colors are very cool, right? and sometimes it just gives that little extra, that little pop to put something in that's completely contrasting. The filigrees are painted. They were originally antique silver and antique bronze. These are original colored. It's like gunmetal. It's another of that prima flower. So, and on the top, I used a piece that was given to me. Another prima, a little heart tucked in there. There, and then I made a simple bow on the top of a gray soft lace. I just edged it with black lace there. So, I hope you liked it. And yeah, and there's a black flower there. Let's see what more. I used fibers, and yeah, oh, this is actually a what's it called? Sand cake, or like a vintage cake thing, metal. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's kind of like the nest there. Yeah, oh, it got an egg. So there you go, my little something styled shadow bird nest box. Life is good. Okay, I'm popping pictures on the end of the video here, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.